This is the M1 MacBook Air. Okay, 8 gigabytes and 256. The battery capacity is 88% and the cycle on 249 and the GPU 11 cores and the CPU 8 cores. Okay, this condition, you can check out this condition. The keyboard backlight, no problem. And the scratch, and you can see a sticker mark. Okay, and here's a little dent here. And let me show you the back. Okay. And here. And here. Okay. This is the M1 MacBook Air. This price is let me show you. And also I will upload this machine on my website and you can check it out. And you can see this is the price. This is US dollars. This price includes the charger, the cable, and this service is no problem, but only here the sticker mark and the dent here, and the back cover not beautiful. The back cover not beautiful. Also, if you want to buy the other model, you can contact me, and I can send you a video about the condition. Okay.